What's going on, guys? Today we are actually checking out this song right here. It is actually Sound of Them. This is Australia. And actually a few days ago it was Australia Day, which I totally forgot about, but I figured that out like today. So yeah, I thought we should react to this one here. I've actually reacted to a few like Australian songs, so I've heard quite a bit. But here is another one today. Let me know if you've heard this one before, guys, in the comments below. And yeah, let's have a listen and let's see what we got. Do not forget, guys, do like the video, subscribe to the channel. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. I want to thank everyone for actually supporting me and helping me achieve like where we are today. So with that being said, let's actually get on with it and see what we have, guys. Great, like literally Australian old songs are actually really good. I actually love them.
And this is like the sounds of them and people talking, scenes recalled by minute movement and songs that fall from the backing tape, a certain texture, that certain smell, the lying sweat on familiar sheets, in big veneer on finance beds, in a room, move silent, hardy flakes, a certain texture, that certain smell, brings home the heavy day, brings home the nighttime swell. Out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe.
I like how that guy's just like on every scene, like just moving around like this.
We watch the lightning crack over cane fields and laugh and think, this is Australia.
Yeah.
The block is awkward, it faces west, long diagonals and sloping too. And in the distance, through the heat haze, in convoys of silence, the cattle graze, a certain texture, that certain beat.
So literally we're seeing like things from Australia, the beaches, the like big like deserts and things like that, the big open areas with the animals and all sort of things.
Brings forth the nighttime heat. Out on the patio we sit.
By the way, guys, what does patio actually mean? Like, he's saying this quite a bit, but I'm not actually sure what patio means. So if you do know, let me know in the comments. Let's learn something new as well.
And the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning crack over cane fields, laugh and think that this is Australia.
Wow, this is like literally such a like Australian vibe, I would say. Like, it literally does remind me of Australia in some way. Like, whenever I see this mountain, you know what it reminds me of? The song we reacted to like a few maybe weeks ago, months ago, I'm not sure. I still call Australia home. Like, that is what comes to my mind whenever I see this nowadays. So that's pretty cool.
Lying sweat on familiar sheets, in brick veneer on finance beds, in a room of silent hardy flakes, a certain texture.
Wow, this guy's literally making me like move up and down with him, bro.
Smell brings forth the heavy days, brings forth the nighttime swell. Out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning crack over cane fields and laugh and think, this is Australia. Out on the patio
actually showing us so many different things around Australia. Like, bro, that that's pretty amazing. Like this guy as well, like no joke. Not a bad song, I must say. Not a bad song at all.
This is Australia. Check it out.
Oh wow, man. Literally. So that is called GANGgajang. GANGgajang. Wow, what a name, bro. Just realized that now. GANGgajang. Wow, honestly, that is a good one. This was actually posted 16 years ago and it has over 4.1 million views. That is just crazy. Just imagine how big this song actually is in Australia. But wow, do let me know, guys, your thoughts on this in the comments below. If you have any other video suggestions, do let me know on my Discord community. The link to that will be in the description below. Go check it out, guys. And yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.